Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to add or change the cards in your YouTube video that you've published to YouTube Studio. So basically I'm going to teach you how to add or change cards of your videos in YouTube Studio. Let's get going. The first thing you need to do is choose the video you want to do it. Let's say I'm doing it for the first time. It's not how it's going to show right now. I'm doing it to a video I've already published. So if you're just publishing, once you upload the video, you will see the option for cards among the pages. I'll show you how to do that too. So let's start with this one. So we click on details, and you can see here you have cards right here. Click on it, and you can see the cards, and then you choose the two cards. I'm using this two now. Let's say I want to delete it, so I want to show you how I chose them. So when you open this site, look first, then you can try to choose a card, video card, a playlist card, a channel card, or a link card. Now a video card means that you're adding information card linking to a video. If you are choosing playlist, you're adding information card leading to a playlist, channel, an information card leading to a channel, and a link, an information card leading to an external website. So let's say I want to choose a video for the first one. Then, before you do, you have to decide where you want it to be. Let's say I want to place it in 24 seconds. Click on video. Let's say I choose this one. So just click on it. Let's say I want to 53 seconds. Click on card. Let's say I want to choose a playlist. Let's choose a playlist. So I choose this playlist and then click on save. It's better to just use two, but you can try to use 1, 3, it's your business, but it's preferable to use two. I think two is the best. So once you're done, you can see it doesn't save because it's not highlighted. So you have to create space somewhere. Let's just put a space somewhere and then click on save. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Now for the other way that I've talked about, you see in our next video how to add cards to a video that you're publishing for the first time.